The Kyocera MA4000WIFX printer is set at the factory to work at altitudes up to 3,280 feet. If you're at an altitude higher than 3,280 feet, you must set the printer to your altitude to maintain the print quality. You can also find this adjustment in the MA4000WIFX operation guide. With the printer running, press the System Menu Counter hard key, located here. Scroll through the list to find Adjust Maintenance and select it. Find Altitude Adjustment and select it. If the location is 3,280 feet or below, normal is the correct setting. 1,001 meters to 2,000 meters is for altitudes from 3,281 feet to 6,561 feet. Choose 2,001 meters to 3,000 meters for altitudes of 6,562 feet to 9,842 feet. Select the 3,001 meters to 3,500 meters for altitudes of 9,843 feet up to 11,483 feet. In our example, we are keeping the default setting of normal. Press on Close to exit the altitude adjustment menu, or press the Home hard key to return to the home page.